Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, the channel where smart shopping meets real-life product performance. Whether you're into kitchen gadgets, lifestyle hacks, or tech that just makes life easier, we test it so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated time savers in any kitchen, vegetable choppers. Whether you're slicing onions, prepping salsa, or spiralizing zucchini, these tools aren't just about convenience, they're about speed, safety, and keeping your kitchen mess to a minimum. So in this video, we're counting down the top 5 best vegetable choppers of 2025. Tested, trusted, and ready to handle real-world kitchen chaos. If you're ready to slice, dice, and chop like a pro without breaking a sweat, let's get into it. And remember, I've added the latest and best Amazon deals for every product featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Number 5. Mueller Pro Series All-in-One Mandolin Slicer, 12-blade kit. Starting off strong at number 5, the Mueller Pro Series Mandolin Slicer really does it all. With 12 interchangeable stainless steel blades, this thing is your all-in-one solution for slicing, grating, spiralizing, and dicing. Crafted from BPA-free plastic, it catches all your chopped goodies in a container underneath, making cleanup a breeze. It's also dishwasher safe and surprisingly compact for a tool with this much versatility. The blades? Incredibly sharp. Think chef's knife sharp. So yes, always use the safety pusher that's included. Once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever prepped without it. Why it's great? Extremely versatile, space-saving, and ideal for batch prepping. What to watch for? Slight learning curve with the blade system and setup. Number 4. Full Star Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer 4-in-1. Next up, the Full Star Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer is a fan favorite for a reason. This compact 4-in-1 tool has taken over TikTok and Instagram, and it actually lives up to the hype. You get 4 sharp interchangeable blades and a built-in catch tray to keep everything neat. From dicing to spiralizing, it's all handled with zero mess. Even pro chef Adrienne Calvo recommends it, and her mom, who has arthritis, loves it too because it's gentle on the hands and requires minimal effort. Why it's awesome? Affordable, beginner-friendly, and compact. Bonus, comes with a finger guard, blade cleaner, and is completely dishwasher safe. Perfect for quick salads, stir-fries, or veggie prep for picky eaters. Number 3. Vidalia Chop Wizard. At number 3 is a no-frills workhorse, the Vidalia Chop Wizard. It's simple, intuitive, and does exactly what it says, chop. Using gentle pressure, it slices your ingredients into even pieces in one clean press. It works especially well on onions, peppers, cucumbers, and more, and drops everything directly into a 2-cup container for mess-free prep. It's lightweight, compact, and there's no learning curve. Why it's a win? Straightforward, space-saving, and ideal for daily use. What it's not? A high-capacity prep tool, best for meals for 1 to 2 people. Number 2. LHS 7-in-1 Multifunctional Vegetable Chopper. Coming in hot at number 2 is the LHS 7-in-1 Multifunctional Chopper. This one strikes a solid balance between variety and simplicity. With 7 attachments, including slicers, dicers, graters, and spiralizers, it offers flexibility without feeling overwhelming. Everything locks neatly into a BPA-free storage container with a non-slip base so it stays put while you work. Blade swapping is quick, and the lid clicks shut with a satisfying snap, keeping your prep safe and speedy. Why people love it? It's functional, compact, and priced right. Perfect for home chefs who want versatility but don't want to deal with a bulky food processor. Number 1. Cambum Manual Pull Chopper, 550 ml cup. And finally, our top pick, the Cambum Manual Pull Chopper. At first glance, it looks too simple to be number 1. No buttons, no batteries, no fancy attachments, just a hand-powered cord in a 550 BPA-free cup. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This chopper delivers serious performance. Load it with onions, garlic, herbs, or nuts and just pull the cord. A few quick pulls and your ingredients are chopped to your desired texture from coarse to fine. What makes it special? It's ultra-quiet, completely portable, and doesn't require electricity. Cleaning is a dream. Rinse it or toss the parts in the dishwasher. Perfect for small households, minimalist cooks, and anyone tired of bulky gadgets. And there you have it, the top 5 best vegetable choppers for 2025, hand-picked and tested with everyday cooking in mind. From tech-forward all-in-ones to manual pull choppers that get the job done quietly, there's something here for every kitchen setup. So tell us in the comments, which one of these would you add to your kitchen lineup? Or maybe you already have a favorite chopper we didn't mention. Drop it below. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and ring the notification bell so you never miss the next smart product review or kitchen essential. Thanks for watching. This is Consumer Heaven, where we bring you products that make life easier, one smart buy at a time. See you in the next one.